Joining us now, Andrew Keene, president of KeeneOnTheMarket.com. Good morning, Andrew.
Good morning, Angie.
You are watching shares of Pier 1. What are you seeing in the options market? What is the option market telling you about this stock?
Yeah, last week it looked pretty strong. You know, got to this $23 level. We saw a big buyer of the 23 calls in September before earnings. They have earnings on Thursday. It has actually been underperforming, the market this year. It's only up about 12% year to date. This is specialty retail, but if the consumer's coming back and they're starting to spend money, we saw great earnings out of Ulta on Friday, a specialty retail with a high PE. I jumped on board. I bought September 23 calls, October 23 calls. I think the stock can pop through 23 and get up to recent highs of 25.50.
Really? Okay, so you're looking for this to happen in just a couple of months here. This is a very short time frame, correct?
Yeah, they have earnings on Thursday. I've defined my risk versus reward, and the reason I like to use options because if the stock does roll over, the chart isn't that great. Like I said, it's underperforming the S&P. I can only lose the value of those calls, so I'm not buying stock, but I'm playing them through call options.
And that also keeps you from maybe losing money, as you mentioned, just in case it's a blooper of a number here.
Yeah, on Friday, when the minute they bought these calls, the stock popped. Looks like it has resistance at 23. If it can break there, I like this. They have a lot of exposure in the United States and Canada. They don't have the exposure overseas. We saw Ulta with blowout earnings. I think Pier 1 could get it done this week.
Thanks for bringing that to us today.
Thank you.